Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're discussing 9 reasons why starting a side hustle can provide you with financial security. From increasing your income to diversifying your earnings, we'll explore the benefits of having a side hustle and how it can help you reach your financial goals. So stay tuned and let's get started. A side hustle can provide a source of passive income. A side hustle can be a great way to earn money on the side without having to give up your day job. This can be especially useful if you're looking to increase your income without taking on a second job or working longer hours. With a side hustle, you can earn money even while you're sleeping, as long as the hustle is something that doesn't require your constant attention. For example, you can start a blog or a YouTube channel and earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other monetization methods. You can also invest in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency and earn money through dividends, rental income, or appreciation. A side hustle can help you pay off debt. Another great reason to start a side hustle is to help you pay off debt. If you're struggling to make ends meet and find yourself constantly falling behind on your bills, a side hustle can be a great way to bring in some extra money and start chipping away at your debt. For example, you can start freelancing in your field of expertise and use the extra money to make larger payments on your credit card debt or student loans. You can also start selling items you no longer need on platforms like eBay or Amazon, or take on gig work through apps like Uber or TaskRabbit. A side hustle can help you save for a big purchase or retirement. Finally, a side hustle can be a great way to save for a big purchase or retirement. Whether you're looking to buy a house, pay for a child's education, or simply have some extra money set aside for a rainy day, a side hustle can help you achieve your savings goals. For example, you can start a small business selling products or services and use the profits to add to your savings account. Or you can start investing in the stock market or real estate and watch your money grow over time. A side hustle can diversify your income streams. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to diversify your income streams. According to a study by Bankrate, only 39% of Americans have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. By having multiple streams of income, you can increase your financial security and make sure that you're not relying on just one source of income. For example, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and other monetization methods. Additionally, you can start freelancing in your field of expertise or take on gig work through apps like Uber or TaskRabbit. A side hustle can give you the opportunity to pursue your passion. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to pursue your passion, whether it's writing, photography, or something else entirely. According to a report by LinkedIn, 72% of people who have a side hustle say that it helps them pursue their passion. Not only can this be personally fulfilling, but it can also increase your chances of success in your side hustle. A side hustle can give you an edge in the job market. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to give yourself an edge in the job market. According to a report by the Wall Street Journal, having a side hustle can be a great way to gain new skills, network with other professionals, and demonstrate your work ethic and determination to potential employers. This can be particularly beneficial if you're looking to change careers or advance in your current field. A side hustle can provide tax benefits. Starting a side hustle can also provide you with tax benefits. According to the Small Business Administration, self-employed individuals can deduct a wide range of expenses related to their side hustle on their taxes, such as office expenses, supplies, and even a portion of their rent or mortgage. This can help lower your overall tax bill and increase your financial security. A side hustle can help you achieve financial independence. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to achieve financial independence. According to a report by Forbes, having multiple streams of income can help you reach your financial goals faster and give you more control over your financial future. By having a side hustle, you can increase your earning potential and have more flexibility to make choices that align with your personal and financial goals. A side hustle can help you build an emergency fund. Starting a side hustle can also be a great way to build an emergency fund. According to a survey by Bankrate, only 39% of Americans have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. By having a side hustle, You can increase your income and set aside a portion of it to build an emergency fund that can provide you with financial security in case of unexpected expenses. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our video on the benefits of starting a side hustle informative and helpful. Remember, a side hustle can provide you with a source of extra income, help you save for the future, and give you a sense of financial security. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to reach your financial goals. Until next time, take care.